Hey, what's up, guys? All right, today in this video, we're going to be talking about custom landing pages and how you can have custom landing pages in 2025, 2026, and how you can scale your e-commerce store to 6, 7, or even 8% on a monthly basis consistently. Now, these landing pages, product pages, we don't do split testing on the difference between like the product page or the landing page. We kind of like combine them both together, where it's a product page, but also it's a landing page as well. At the same time, we add educational stuff, we add UGC content, we add a proper offer around the product line in order to increase our conversion rate. So this video is going to help you 10x your business if you understand your niche and what type of offers you're going to do for your e-commerce store. So let me actually share my screen. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Before I share my screen, one important thing is the landing pages that I show in my videos. They are 100% custom built. We don't use any page builders and we don't use any plugins in order to actually create these, because a lot of time we run a lot of paid traffic and it's anywhere from like 100,000 all the way up to like a million plus traffic on a monthly basis. So we don't want to break our pages with page builders and using third-party plugins. So everything is custom built. Other than that, let me actually share my screen. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to use an example of Timeline. If you are not familiar with them, go check them out. They have a lot of different supplements. So this example is about supplements, but it can be any specific product category that you sell in. This is just an example. I use the same exact strategy for a lot of my brands that I manage internally, and we use similar strategies. First thing first, let's talk about the thumbnails and why thumbnails in this specific structure is extremely important. As you can see right here, we have like a 3D product video with a person using the actual product. Very, very important, because you need to make sure that people engage right off the bat when they actually come onto the product page. If you just like have like pictures like the old school style, it's not going to work out anymore. You need to actually be advanced in some 3D pictures or 3D motion graphics. Or if you want to keep it simple, you can use just like UGC content on autoplay. Now, if I scroll further down, you can see right here, we have on the left side, we have like some a picture person using the product. And again, on the right side, we are seeing another UGC video, a physician talking about the product. If I scroll further down, these type of thumbnails are very, very important. These are educational stuff. So in the supplement space, for the brands that I personally manage, what we do is like we talk about ingredients, how to use the product, what the product has in terms of like the product helps with the supplement facts and all that. So we actually showcase these infographic pictures as well with our products. Then we kind of like combine it with the supplement facts and then 5-star review, or you can do another UGC video here. Now, if you see on the right side, we have like the title, we have a little bit of description, and then in the buy box, we have only monthly supply available. And then we also have like one-time purchase. Now, if you are in the monthly subscription game, what we do is we sell it by like the more they purchase, the better the offer is. And we create like our average order value goes up way, regardless of like what the amount is that they're getting on the product side of things. But 1 month supply is pretty common. 1 to 2 month supply, if they are new consumers, they always get this. To be honest with you, but 4 month supply, 12 month supplies, these guys are mostly returning customers. So if somebody's coming back to the product page to purchase and they like the product, they like the effects and all that, the chances are that they're going to go for 4 month or 12 month supply. Now, we use some badges, as you can see right here, where it says like clinically recommended. And if you want to get the best value, you need to get like a 12 month supply. Now, we also have like a one-time purchase option. Then we have accordions, where we talk about the product itself, ingredients, how to use the product. If you see, and I'll show you like further down on the page, this product page is education heavy. This is extremely important nowadays. The competition is so fierce in every niche. You have to make sure that you have education as much as possible. You can do the studies, you can do ingredients, you can use how to use the product, you can talk about social proofing around like different products and people what people think about the product itself. And it says still unsure, try our sample pack. Packs only cost $10, so you can buy the sample pack and see like how you feel. Again, here this is an educational section of like how you're gonna feel like after 8 hours, day 2, day 30, day 60, day 120, days 365. Now, this is a subconscious educational piece. We do this with our brands that are in the monthly subscription space to subconsciously educate consumer around how much time and what they should be feeling after a year, right? So in my subconscious, if I'm a consumer, I'll be like, okay, I got to use this product for like at least 1 year in order to actually see the results that I want. Okay. Now, and they have to educate the consumer around like, hey, what is going to happen on day 1? What is going to happen on day 30 to actually keep them engaged in the beginning and then keep them long term as well. The proven benefits of cell or energize, and then they're again talking about like the benefits of using the actual product. Again, the more research you can put into your product pages, the better it is. As you can see right here, they have a proper study around each and every single product. So you can see right here, placebo, Metapure, and they're talking about what are the poor and the good side things. You can check out their product page. They have a lot of information around their products. So it's extremely important to educate your consumer, because if I'm a consumer and I'm coming and I am looking at this information, I'll be like, man, this is really, really good. Visual graphics helps big time. Again, they're talking about like what are some of the benefits of using the product, and they're talking about the quality standards, and then they jump into the 5-star reviews. Nothing special in the footer area, but it's all about like the education that matters is on the top for each specific product that they're selling. So, guys, if you're struggling with scaling your e-commerce store to 4, 5, or even 6% conversion rate, you're running a lot of paid traffic, and you cannot figure out how to actually showcase your products in the right way and what offer you should be doing for your e-commerce store, please contact me. My calendar link is in the description below. And other than that, you need to make sure that if you're just starting out in the e-commerce space, you can always use page builders or plugins in order to build pretty engaging product pages. But in the long term and with the scaling, this happens again and again with the people that get onboarded with me, is that they cannot customize the pages the way they want it. So you need to make sure that you have custom landing pages when it comes to scaling. Again, contact me. My calendar link is in the description below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.